Hi everyone, welcome to this class, the 10th class mathematics, chapter 2 sets. In this class, let us learn how to represent a set in roster form when set builder form is given. What is set? Let us recall the definition of set. Set is a collection of things that have something in common or follow a rule. Not all collections of objects are not sets. The object in the set, the element in the set should have a common property. They should have something in common. Otherwise, we can define the set like this also. Set is a collection of well-defined objects. Here, well-defined means they should have something in common or follow a rule. Okay, now sets can be represented by two forms. Number one, roster form, and number two, set builder form. In the previous class, we have studied about how to represent a set in set builder form. In this class, let us understand how to convert a natural set builder form into roster form. Okay, let us first start. First one, n is equal to x such that x is a natural number. Here, this x represents all the properties of all the elements which are in the natural number. So, every element should have the same property, that is natural number. So, you have to write here natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. How many natural numbers are there? We cannot count. This is a infinite set. This is an infinite set. So, we have to write all the elements, but we cannot write all the elements. Then we represent like these dots. Dot means this represents it is an infinite set. So many elements are there. We cannot write the last element. That's why we can write like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, second one, a is equal to x such that x is a natural number less than 10. So, we have to write like this, natural numbers, we have to collect elements from natural numbers which are less than 10. We know what are they, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have to write all the elements from the 1 and we have to separate them by commas like this, and we should enclose them in braces. Okay. Let us go to the third example. B is equal to x. This symbol represents such that every elements such that element should have this property. That element should be collected from natural number set, and we should not collect all the numbers. We have to collect from 1 to 6. Between 1 to 6. Between 1 less than x less than 6. This is an inequation. This represents the x lies between 1 and 6. How can we understand this? I will explain here. Here are two inequations in this equation. First one, 1 less than x, and second one, x less than 6. 1 less than x, x less than 6. 1 is less than x. ఒకటి x కంటే చిన్నది. Then x is more than 1. X is greater than 1. 1 less than x means x greater than 1. ఒకటి x కంటే చిన్నది అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి, x అనేది పెద్దది, ఇది చిన్నది. సో x greater than 1. Let us write this one here, x greater than 1 and x less than 6. అంటే x అనేది 1 కంటే పెద్దది, 6 కంటే చిన్నది. సో x అనేది 1కి 6 మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది. We know the number line, you know the natural numbers. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are natural numbers. More than 1. More than 1 means starting from here. And less than 6. 6 means, yeah, less than 6 means 5. 4, 3, 2. More than 1 means 2, 3, 4, 5. So x takes the values, this values only 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why if anywhere it is written like this, there is no r equal to symbol. So we have to take the elements between 1 and 6. So we can write easily 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you should not write 1 here. You have to collect only in between 1 and 6 elements, 2, 3, 4, 5. D is equal to x such that x belongs to n and 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Here we have to select elements from natural number set, but we should not write all the elements because a limit is given here. What is the limit here? In the previous example I have explained like this. A inequation is there, 1 less than x less than 5 means we have to write elements in between 1 and 5. What are the elements between 1 and 5? There are 2, 3, 4. But here r equal to sign is there, less than or equal to in equation. When r equal to sign is there, you have to take 1 also. And here you have to take 5 also. In this way we can write this set. This is the roster form and this is the set builder form. Both represents same set. Next example, E. E is equal to here x such that x belongs to n, 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10. The symbol represents less than or equal to. That's why we have to take, first of all, let us write the numbers between 4 to 10. Between 4 to 10, what are they in between 4 and 10? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But here is a symbol r equal to, means the x takes this value and that value also, 4th one value and 10th value. So it takes 4 and 10. So that's why this is the roster form of this set builder form. Both represent same set. Next, f is equal to here x such that x belongs to z. Z means here integers. X, we have to collect the elements from set z, but not all elements. You have to take these elements only. What are they? The x lies between -2 and 4. You know the number line, -1, negative numbers, and here positive numbers. A set of positive numbers and negative numbers and 0 together known as integers. Here 2, -2, the elements which are between -2 and 4. -2 and 4, here these numbers -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. These numbers are between -2 and 4. -1, 0, 1 and 2 and 3. When there is no equal to symbol, we have to write like this. When equal to symbol is given, we have to take this one also, -2 and 4. This is the roster form of this set F. Next, 7th one, G is equal to x such that x is a whole number and x less than 10. Sometimes the question may be given like this also. Instead of x belongs to n, the words may be written like this: x such that x is a whole number and x less than 10. We know what are the whole numbers. Natural numbers including 0 are called whole numbers. Up to here, all these whole numbers. Less than 10. What are less than 10? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to we have to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only less than 10 here. If there is less than or equal to 10, we have to write 10 also. So it is not there like this. Only there is less than symbol. You have to write up to 9 only. Starting from 0, you have to write 9. Then H is equal to x such x is an even natural number. You know even natural numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. There is no limit given here. So this is infinite set, not finite set. So we have to keep dots like this and so on. 2, 4, 6. Xh is equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Here I is equal to odd natural numbers. Odd numbers. Or we know odd numbers. Even numbers are divisible by 2 completely. Odd numbers leaves one remainder when we divide by 2. So here 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and so on. All these numbers leaves remainder 1 when we divide by 2. This is also infinite set. In this way we write posterior form of the sets. J is equal to x such that x is a prime number less than 20. What are the prime numbers less than 20? You know that the prime number means that numbers which are divisible by only 1 and itself. No, they are not divisible by any other numbers other than 1 and itself. ఏ నెంబర్తో కూడా భాగించబడవు. ఒకటి మరియు అదే నెంబర్తో తప్ప ఏ నెంబర్తో కూడా భాగించబడని సంఖ్యలని ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్స్ అంటాం. Let us start now. 2, 3, 5. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. 4 is composite number divisible by 2. 5 is a prime number. It is not divisible by any other number. 6 is a composite number divisible by 2. 7 prime number. 8 composite number divisible by 4 and 2. 9 also composite number divisible by 3 and 10 divisible by 2 and 5. 11 not divisible by any other number except itself. దాంతో తప్ప దేంతో భాగించబడదు. Next 12 divisible by other numbers. 13 not divisible. 14 divisible by other numbers. 15 divisible by other numbers. 16 also divisible by other numbers. 17 not divisible by other numbers, so it is a prime number. And next 18 divisible by other numbers. 2 9 18. Next 19 not divisible by other numbers. Up to we have to write only because less than 20. So these are prime numbers which are less than 20. In this set, k is equal to x such that x is an even prime number. Among all these prime numbers, what is even prime number? We know that this is even prime number. All are these odd prime numbers. These are odd numbers and prime numbers. This is even number and prime number. Only 2 is an even prime number. All other prime numbers are odd numbers. This set has only one element. That's why this set is also called singleton set. Singleton set. If a set has only one element, then it is called singleton set. Now let us write this one. L is equal to x such that x is a odd prime number less than 20. First of all, we have to write prime numbers less than 20 and we have to select only odd numbers from these prime numbers. The odd numbers we know 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Over. Next, m is equal to x such that x is a factor of 24. Should not write factors here, only factor of 24, because all the elements in the x, all the elements of the set represented by x, and that x has this property. So that's why we have to write only factor. Let us know how to write factors. We know the how to find factors. 1 divides 24, therefore 1 into 24. 2 divides 24, 2 12 ja 24. 2 12 ja. 3 8 ja 24. 4 6 ja 24. 5 table does not divide. 6 does not. 6 divides, but 6 already came here. 6 4 ja. 7 does not divide. 8 divides. 8 3 ja. So here also 3 into 8 or 8 into 3 same. No need to write again. Here 9 does not divide. Enough. We no need to go further. We can stop here because it is a 2-digit number. To know that factors, you have to check up to 1. Check the division by up to 1 to 9 numbers only. No need to go further for 2-digit numbers. Now select all these numbers. These are all factors of 24. Write like this. Take all the numbers like this in this series, in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 over. All are these factors of 24. This is roster form, this is set-builder form. So other than these numbers, there is no factor for 24. So now here one more question. X such that x is an even factor of 24. Sometimes the question may be asked like this, even factor of 24. So you have to select even numbers from these factors. What are even numbers here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Over. Now in this set, x such that x is a odd factor of 24. We have to select odd numbers, odd factors from this list. So only 1 and 3 are odd numbers, all other numbers are even numbers. So we have to write like this one. The question may be asked in like this also. Sometimes x such that x is a multiple of 2 and factor of 24. Multiple of 3 and factor of 24. In this way the question may be asked in so many types. So in this way we can write the factors easily. So first of all we have to find factors like this, then list out them all these in the set. Let us write the set builder form is given here. We have to write the roster form of this set. X such that x is equal to n cube and x belongs to n and n less than or equal to 4. Here somewhat the question type is changed here. Here is rule is given here like this, set is given here, limit is given here. We have to first take the elements from n less than or equal to 4. How many elements are there? N less than or equal to 4 means n takes values 4 and less than 4. Those are 1, 2, 3, 4. N is equal to, you have to write 1, 2, 3 and 4. If you write 1 in the place of n cube, you will get 1 cube is equal to 1. 1 into 1 into 1. If you write 2 in the place of n, 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. We know that is 8. In the place of 3, in the place of n we write 3, 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. And you have to write 4 also in the place of n. 4 cube. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64. So select the number n values from this set and substitute in the formula, in the rule, then find the elements of this set. So what we have got here? 1 into 1 into 1, 1, 8, 27, 64. So 1, 8, 27, 64. Now here in this set we have to x such that x is equal to 1 by n, comma n belongs to n, n less than or equal to 5. N takes the values less than or equal to 5 from natural number set. What are they? N less than or equal to 5 means, n less than or equal to 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this n takes the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you write n is equal to 1 in the place of n, we get 1 by 1. Next substitute 2, 1 by 2. Next substitute 3, 1 by 3, substitute 4, 1 by 4, substitute 5, 1 by 5. So 1 by 1 means we can write easily. We can write 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. Then 18th one, S is equal to x such that x is a multiple of 2 and x less than 16. Sometimes the question may be asked like this also. Multiple of 2 and less than 16. We know multiples of 2. You know that 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 9 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18. We get so many infinite multiples, but the condition is here that should be less than 16. What are the less than 16 values here? Up to here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. These are not less than 16, is equal to 16, more than 16. So you should not write these elements. You write up to only 14. Should not write. So before writing the elements, you should follow the conditions. Next here, T is equal to x such that x is a vowel in English alphabet. We know vowels in English alphabet, we have to write them here in up lower case letters. A, E, I, O, U. That's all. This is also finite set. It's also finite set. Here next, U is equal to x such that x is an integer and x square is equal to 4. X is an element that should satisfy this condition. So how can we find x values? We have to find values of x from this equation and write here. If x square is equal to 4, x square is equal to 4, then x is equal to what? Square root of 4. Square root of 4 means it may be plus or minus 2. That means minus 2 or plus 2. So x takes the values minus 2 and plus 2. Both values satisfy this equation. If you write minus 2 here, minus 2 whole square 4 is equal to 4. If you write plus 2 here, plus 2 whole square 4. But one thing, here the condition is given, may be given like, sometimes it may be given like this also. X such x is an natural number and x square is equal to 4. Sometimes the question may be given like this also. X such x is a natural number and x square is equal to 4. In that case, you have to write plus 2 only, but you should not write minus 2, because minus 2 is not natural number, it is integer. So when the question is given like this, you have to write minus 2 and 2. If the question is given as natural numbers, you have to write only 2. Then it becomes a singleton set. V is equal to x such that x is equal to n plus 1 and x belongs to n. Here every element of this set has this property to n plus 1, and this n takes values from natural numbers. So we know natural numbers, n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. So substitute in the place of n 2n plus 1, write n in the place of 1 in the place of n, 2 into 1 plus 1, 2 1 ja 2, 2 plus 1 3. If you write 2 in the place of n, 2 into 2 plus 1 5, 2 into 3 plus 1, 2 to the 6 plus 1 7, 2 into 4 plus 1, 2 4 ja 8, 8 plus 1 9. In this way, there are so many numbers are there. This is also a infinite set. So 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. And here W is equal to x such that x, this x has this property, belongs to natural numbers, and that should x satisfy, that number should satisfy this equation. The numbers which satisfy this equation, that number should be taken in this set only. The solutions of this equation only should be taken in this set. You can guess here x minus 1 and x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here both product of two numbers is 0. Either may be equal to 0. X minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. From this we get x is equal to 1 or minus 1 by transposing plus 1. Here minus 2 by transposing plus 2. So we get two values 1 and 2. So W is a set of numbers 1 and 2. These elements satisfy this equation. If we substitute these elements, we get 0. If we write 1 in the place of here, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 into something, 0. If you write 2 in the place of x, 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 2. 2 minus 1 is 1, 2 minus 2, 0, 0 into something, 0. Next, x is equal to, here x belongs to z and x square plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. We have to write the elements which satisfy this equation. We know how to find the solutions of this equation. I will say here in short briefly. X square plus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. Here 12 is there, so 3x plus 4x. 7x should be split as 3x plus 4x. 3 plus 4, 7. I will explain this in another video how to solve this easily. 7 plus 3, 4, 7, 3 plus 4, 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. We have to split 7 such that two numbers, the sum should be equal to 7x and product should be equal to this 12. 3 into 4, 12, 3 plus 4, 7. So here x into x plus 3x is the common factor. Here 4 is the common factor. 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Again x plus 3 is the common factor. Then remaining numbers makes a factor is equal to 0. Here x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x plus 4 is equal to 0. Either may be equal to 0. Here x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to minus 4. So you have to write here only minus 3 and minus 4 when there is z. If x such that x belongs to n, there will be no elements because minus 3 and minus 4 does not exist in n. That's why then becomes it is empty set. There are no elements, it becomes empty set. Here x is equal to minus 3 and minus 4. Here x such that x belongs to n. X square minus 16 is equal to 0. We have to solve this equation. Similarly, x square minus 16 is equal to 0. X square is equal to 16. Then x is equal to square root of 16. We get minus 4 or plus 4. But we have to select only plus 4 because x belongs to n. Natural number. Minus 4 is an integer, negative number. So we have to select only 4. That's why it is called singleton set. Here z is equal to x such that x belongs to n and x less than 5 and x greater than 7. Does this element exist? 5 x less than 5 and greater than 7. 5 కంటే తక్కువ 7 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఏదైనా ఎలిమెంట్ ఉంటుందా? 5 కంటే తక్కువ. Here 5, here I write here 5, this is 5, this is 7. Any element does exist less than 5 and more than 7 does not exist. So this is an empty set. If any set, empty set is a set which have no elements. It has no elements, then it is called empty set. In this way, in this 21, 22, 23, 24 questions, we have to solve, we have to write some work, we have to do some work, we have to solve. If equation is given, we have to solve and write the answers. If equation is given like this, we have to solve the equation, write the answers. If the rule is given, we have to substitute the values in that rule and we have to write the elements. Okay, in these 25 questions, I have covered all types of questions, various types of questions. I think you might have understood how to write roster form of the sets when set builder form is given. Okay.